Hi, I'm Steve Scuffle. I'm the director of this salon, which is at Central Bedfordshire College. This salon has been going on for 25 years in different places around the country, but it's really a great learning ground for people. It's a great place for people to do their first competition. Lots of students here, lots of colleges enter, but entering a competition is a great learning curve in life. You're coming out of your own comfort zone, you're meeting new people, you're being judged by people from the trade, by professionals, you're going to get feedback from professional people, and you're going to learn so much from a competition. Whether you win, whether you lose, you learn lots from competition, and it'll grow your confidence. It's a great way to meet new people. It's a great way to put yourself in the shop window for a job, because the people who are judging you here could soon be your future employees.